welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Ashley Irizarry Diaz, and this video we're going to be doing a first impressions on the Vital Proteins green tea matcha. So this is something I've been wanting to try, a brand that I've been wanting to try for a really long time. Some of my favorite YouTubers, Cambria Joy is one of them. I think I saw this on her channel first before everybody else's, but she used this in like her smoothies and her like coffee and everything. So I absolutely love green tea matcha. Right now I'm using brand right here. It's organic matcha, cooking grade, baking, culinary purposes, smoothies, lattes, blended drinks, healthy food additive. So I make this every morning. I stopped drinking coffee maybe like a month ago and switched over to green tea lattes. I'll make it like hot or cold, and it's super delicious and it's really good for you. It has lots of antioxidants. It's good for like your hair, skin, and nails. Maybe I'll do another video on like green tea and everything. So I wanted to try this brand because they had a green tea matcha that also has collagen, which is another thing I wanted to add to my regimen, because collagen is like really great for hair, skin, and nails. It's also good for joints. I just wanted to look into collagen and start taking it. I'm 27 years old, so if I can do anything to help like the aging process, that would be great. So this is going to be a first impressions. I'm going to go ahead and open this, unbox it. Just came in the mail today, and then I'm going to make a latte or a drink or something, so we'll see how it goes. Cute little box. Your collagen awaits. Open here. Vital Proteins collagen-based nutrition. Stay vital. Feel your best with clean, whole nutrition that nourishes your body. Comes in a box like this. Take all the stuffing out. Yay! Okay, so it's Vital Protein Matcha Dietary Supplement, Original Matcha. They have another peach flavor, but I really don't like peach, so I didn't think I would enjoy that. So it says 10 grams of collagen, 50 milligrams of caffeine, which is all natural green tea caffeine, and it doesn't give you a crash like coffee does, and it lasts longer. So it's like a natural energy that doesn't like spike you up and like bring you down really quickly. So that's nice. 20 milligrams of L-theanine, don't know what that is. Gluten-free, powerful antioxidant, no sugars added. Great. I'm excited to try this. So the ingredients are green tea matcha, coconut water powder. Contains coconut, obviously. Great, looks good. Okay, so on the directions it says combine 1 scoop with 8 fluid ounces of cold or hot liquid. Mix thoroughly. So I think for the first time trying this, I'm just gonna do it with water. And then I can doctor it up later once I see how it works. So let's do that. Okay, so I have my green tea and then my 8 ounces of water here. So let's open the package. What the heck? Okay, let's see if I can even get this open. Oh, my nails are gonna break. See, I need collagen so my nails can be strong. Ah, the freak. Okay, got it. Okay, just gotta take the lid off. Okay, so it looks like the scooper thingy is already in there. Okay, so we're gonna mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water. Oh, it looks really nice and like finely milled, so that's good. Hopefully it mixes easily. Give it a mix. Okay, so I went ahead and gave that a nice mix. Looking good. Now I'm gonna try it out and see how it tastes. I know that their collagen, the one that's just the collagen peptides, doesn't have any flavor, but since this is green tea matcha, I'm assuming that this is gonna taste like green tea. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so we just went ahead and mixed up the green tea matcha collagen powder into the water, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a tester. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste to see how we like this. It looks like there's a little bit of clumpiness in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's give it a go. Okay, so a lot better than I thought. For like the big scoop that we put in here, it's super like not clumpy. Tastes like water, like you don't feel any of the powder. So yeah, I would totally drink this with just water. It's really good. It has like a subtle flavor to it of the green tea, and then doesn't taste like vitamin-y or like chalky at all. Smells like green tea. It really just tastes like green tea. So I do want to go ahead and try it with some milk to see how it tastes. I can make it into like a latte. I'm thinking if I should do that now or not. What do you guys think? We're just gonna do a splash of milk or cream, whatever I have in the fridge, and see how that tastes. Okay, so I put some milk in. Let's give it another taste. Yeah, I think I like that better. Just kind of gives it like a little bit of a creamy flavor. It's really good though. You guys are gonna like this, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this over the next like few weeks and see how I like it. I do want to try like different flavors because I do like putting cinnamon in my green tea lattes. I want to try it hot as well, so I'll let you guys know how I like this after I kind of like test around with water and like milk and cinnamon. I might put some sweetener because I do like my green tea sweetened, so we'll see how that works out. Overall, for first impressions, I'm very pleased. I'm really excited to see how this works with like my body and see the results that it gives. If you guys want to check this out for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to check out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish drinking this green tea matcha. I'm actually enjoying it. It's really good. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions video. Overall, I liked it. I like the texture. I like the taste of it. It seems easy to drink. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes, see what it does to my body. And I'll let you guys know about the results on my hair, and my skin, and my nails, my joints. Again, if you want to check out Vital Proteins, they have a lot of different stuff. This is the first item that I've tried from this brand, so I can't vouch for anything else. But I was really excited to try this green tea matcha because I did want to switch over from this green tea that I'm using. One thing that I really liked about this Vital Proteins matcha was that when you mix it up, it doesn't become clumpy, and it mixed really well so far with cold water. I haven't tried it with hot water, but I'm sure with hot water it's going to be even better. So that was a problem I was having with my regular green tea. I would mix it with like a little bit of water and then milk, And I know that there's a bamboo whisk that works really well to mix up with these green teas, but I just haven't got around to getting it. So I'm really happy that this one doesn't have a texture of that like gritty, chalky taste that a lot of like protein powders have. So that is like the best thing about this product. So, okay, I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.